Today, I am here with a very important segment to see how to find the last two digits of a power expression. For example, 62 to the power 48, 96. 87 to the power 73, 47. 131 to the power 25, 51. Check it out. This way, we are going to do it very fast. For that, the prerequisite is to memorize all the squares of natural numbers 1 to 25. I have given a shortcut to find the squares of natural numbers 1 to 125. You can check my video. The link is given in the description box. And also, you should be aware of the power cycle of the last digit of a power expression. That also I have mentioned in one of my videos, whose link is given in the description box. Come, let us explore this topic. When you think of the last two digits, they can be categorized as number ending with odd numbers and even numbers. We are going to see all the odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 7, 9 and 5. 5, we always have 25 or 75. So I'll come back to 5 afterwards. Let us start with 1. Say if you have a number ending with 1, say 31 to the power 25, right? So in my video, I have told if it is 1, the last digit will always be 1. You can check it out. Now this second digit, that is second last digit, how to find? The second last digit will be found by multiplying the 10th digit of a number by the unit digit of a power. Yeah, 3 into 5, 15. And the answer, the second last digit will be the unit digit of the product. So 51. Am I clear? 41 to the power 28. It will be 21. Yes. So 1 is always 1. And 4 into 8, 32, 2. 131 to the power 53. So if you have 3 digits in the base, just have to worry about 2 digits, last 2 digits, right? 91 is the last 2 digits of 131 to the power 53. So with 1, it's very easy. Now based on this 1, we will be doing other odd numbers like 3, 7, 9. Let us see the cycle of 3, 7, 9. The cycle of the last digit I have discussed in my previous video. You can check it out for your reference. Now let us see the cycle of 3. 3 is 3, 9, 7 and 1. 7 is 7, 9, 3 and 1. And 9 is 9 and 1. Right? So you can just see where the 1 is there in the cycle. So you can just tell that 3 to the power 4 is 1. 7 to the power 4 is 1. And 9 squared is 1. So if I am taking a question, 87 to the power 24. Right? First, I will be dividing this in this manner. 87 to the power 4 into 6. Right? So multiples of 4. So I can split this as 4 into 6. Okay. Now 87 to the power 4, it can be written as 87 squared into 87 squared. Clear? Okay. 87 squared is nothing but 13 squared. That is 69 into 69. How did I get it? So 87, 100 minus 87. Remember my video. And this is 13 square. right? 13 squared is the last digit will be 69. You can, very interesting factors, 13 squared is 69 and 37 squared will be 69, the last two digits. 63 squared will be 69, yeah, and 87 squared will be. So all these numbers, the last two digits will be 69, yeah. Okay, 69 into 69 to the power 6 will be, say, 61. This will be 50. 69 minus 50 will be 19. 19 squared is 361. 361, the last two digit is 61. So basically what you'll do is, whatever may be the last digit, that is, if it is odd number, you'll have to change it into 1 and you will be finding the last two digits of the number. So now you can easily find 61 will be the last two. Yeah. Let us see one more question. 33 to the power 36. 33 square into 33 square to the power 9. 33 is 89 into 89 to the power 9, which will be 21 to the power 9, which will be 8. Very fast I did. Let me explain this. Since it is a short trick, I have done it faster. So I'll explain it. 33 to the power 36 can be written as 33 to the power 4 into 36. 9, sorry. 4 into 9, 36. So you're splitting this power. Okay. 33 to the power 4 can be written as 33 squared into 33 squared. Okay. 33 is nothing but 50 minus 33, that is 17. 17 square is 289. So 89 will be the last two digits. So we are just taking only the last two digits. Okay, 89 into 89, 1. And 89 is nothing but 100 minus 89, that is 11. 11 square. 11 square is 121. So 21 to the power 9, which will be 81. So you know how to find the last two digits if the number ends with 1. Yeah. Okay. So here again an interesting fact, as I told in 13, 17 square ends with 89, 17 square, 33 square, 67 square, and 83 square. Every number, all these ends with 89. Yeah, as they end with 69, this ends with 89. So if you remember this pattern, you can easily do the question. One more question. 39 to the power 21. See, what will happen if the power is not a multiple of 4, right? So what will you do? Split it in this manner, 39 to the power 20 into 39. Yeah, okay. So this can be written as 39 square. So 9, remember the pattern, 3, 7, 9, 3 to the power 4, 7 to the power 4, and 9 to the power 2 will give you 1 as the last digit. So 9 to the power 2 to the power 10 into 39. Yeah. And this will be, how far is it from 50? 11. 11 squared is 121. So 21 to the power 10 into 39. And 21 to the power 10 is nothing but 1. 1 into 39. So the last digit is 39. Yeah. So in this way, you can do it faster. One more example, let me take of which is not a multiple of 4. So this is a question. Find the tens place digit of 67 to the power 45. So 67 to the power, I can just split as 44 into 67. Yeah. Okay. This can be written as 67 to the power 4, 11 into 67. Okay. 67 to the power 4, 67 square into 67 square. As I told you, 17 square, what will you get? 89. Yeah. So 89 into 89 to the power 11 into 67. Sorry, 67. Okay. Now 89 is nothing but 21. 21 to the power 11 into 67. 21 is again 21 into 67. So if you multiply this, 07 will be the last two digits. So what will be the tens place of the digit of 67 to the power 45 will be 0. Tens digit will be 0. Yeah. Hope this is clear. Find the last two digits of 7 to the power 2008. This came in 2008 CAT examination. Yeah. So how to find 7 to the power 2008? So we know how to find 7 to the power 4 to the power 502. Yes. So multiples of 4. So you can split in this manner. 7 to the power 4 is nothing but 7 squared is into 7 squared. That is 49 into 49 to the power 502. Yeah. Okay. 49 is nothing but 0, 1. Because 50 minus 49 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1 only. So 0, 1 to the power 502. So your answer is 0, 1 will be the last two digits. So out of these options, 0, 1 is the correct option of last two digits of 7 to the power 2008. I hope you understood the odd numbers, the numbers of a power expression ending with odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 7 and 9. Now next I'm going to tell you about 5. If the numbers end with 5, what will be the last two digits? So it's very easy. Nothing in that, no calculation, nothing. You just have to identify the powers and the base. So come, let us do that. Say if you have 225, right? 225 to the power 37. In this, what you'll have to do is tens digit of a number. Tens digit, if it is even, and the unit digit of a power. Of a power. It is odd. In this case, it will be, the number will end with 20. So you just have to understand the pattern. Let me take the number, tens digit of number and unit digit of power. Then the last two digits. If you just remember this, with cycle of 5, you can find the last two digits very easily. Say tens digit of number is even, yeah, and unit digit is also even. Last two digit will be 25. If tens digit is even and unit digit of power is odd, then also it will be 25, right? If tens digit is odd and the unit digit is even, the last two digit will be 25. Now comes, if tens digit is odd and unit digit is also odd, then the last digit will be 75. Yeah. So if you remember this, you can just write, keep on writing the answer. Say if you have 305 to the power 21, 25. 335 to the power 33. So both are odd, so 75. So did you understand? So to find the last two digits when in case of 5, so you just have to identify whether the tens digit is even or odd and unit digit is even or odd. Hope you understood the pattern of odd numbers. That is the number ending with odd numbers of a power expression. How to handle to find the last two digits. Now we are going to see if the number ends with even number. That is the number divisible by 2. How to handle to find the last two digits. We are going to see. Come. In this you need to keep in mind, that is 2 to the power 10 to the power of any odd numbers, it will end with 24. And 2 to the power 10, any even numbers, even power, to the power any even power will get 76. So it will end with 76 and 24. So you just have to keep this in mind. Like we did for 3 to the power 4, 7 to the power 4, and 9 to the power 2 to get 1. So in this 2, you'll be thinking of 2 to the power 10. After the cycle of 2 to the power 10, this gets repeated to 24 and 76 according to the power. Say if I have 2 to the power 40, so it will end with 76. Yeah, because it's a 2 to the power 10 whole to the power 4, even power 76. 2 to the power say 70, it will end with 24. 2 to the power 24. Yeah, okay. 2 to the power 24 can be written as 2 to the power 20 into 2 to the power 4, right? Okay. 2 to the power 20 is 76 as it is even power. 2 to the power 10 whole to the power even power, and into 24, 20 to the power 4, which will be 16. Yeah, there is another interesting fact which you can remember in your mind, that is, if you multiply in this case, that is to find the last digit in this context I'm telling, if it is 76 and multiplied by 16 will give you 16, 28, that is 128 will give you 28 only. So if basically 76 into 64 will give you 64 only, 76 into 56 will give you 56 only, right? So if you multiply 76 with any power with the base 2, yeah, 2 to the power say 10. So we know that 2 to the power 10 is 24. 76 into 24 will give you 24 only. Hope it's clear. So 76 multiplied by any power expression with base 2, you'll get the last 2 digits the same. Yeah. So if you remember this, you can do this question very fast. Okay. Now, say I'm taking one question. 62 to the power 41. If you multiply 2 and one odd number, we'll get the even number, right? So 2 to the power 41 into 31 to the power 41. So you know how to handle even power, even number, and how to handle odd number. Both we have discussed. Now 2 to the power 41 is nothing but 76 multiplied by 2 is nothing but 2, 0, 2 into 31 to the power 41 is nothing but 31. Yeah, so 2 into 31, which will give you 62. The 62 will be the last 2 digits of 62 to the power 41. It's very interesting. And you can try with different numbers. You just have to split with even and odd basis, and then you'll have to do in this manner. One more question let us do. It is say if we are taking 56 to the power 22, so which can be splitted as 2 cube multiplied by 7. Yeah, so we just have to take the base as 2 of even, and then odd you can do with 3, 7 and 9. Okay, okay, this can be written as 2 to the power 66 into 7 to the power 22. Okay, now even 2 to the power 60 into 2 to the power 6, which is nothing but 2 to the power 6 only, right? Yeah, as I told you, 2 to the power 60 will give you 76. Will give you 76, and 2 to the power 6 is nothing but 64. So your answer will be 64 here. Multiplied by 7 can be done in this manner. 7 to the power 20 into 7 squared. Yeah, okay. Now 7 to the power 20 is nothing but 7 to the power 4 to the power 5 into 49, and 7 to the power 4 is 1. Yeah, okay. 7 to the power 4 can be written as 0, 1. because 49 into 49 will give you 01, and to the power 5 into 49 will give you 49. Yeah, and 64 into 49 will give you 36. Isn't it interesting? So the last last two digits of 56 to the power 22 is 36. I've taken a complicated. So in CAT and all these exams, it is way below this level. Okay. So since you know how to get the last two digits, if the last digit is odd and it is even. So apply all these techniques to find the last two digits. Hope this video was really helpful. Watch this video till the end, then only you'll understand the entire pattern. Coming up next is even more interesting. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, bye. All the best for all CAT aspirants. Thank you.